In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Profit.co's Pulse Survey feature to create and distribute employee wellness check-ins in your organization. To create a new Pulse Survey template, you must have super user access in Profit.co. First, on the left-hand navigation panel, go to Settings, Engagement, Pulse Surveys. Here, you can edit, enable, and disable existing survey templates, or you can create new templates. We'll press the Create button next to the Templates heading and create a new template. Add a template title and click the Save icon. Then, press the gear icon next to the survey title to build your survey. On the Palette tab, you can customize your survey to your exact needs. Choose to display sections in 1 or 2 columns and build questions using our 6 question types. For an employee wellness check, you'll want to get a pulse on how employees are feeling. First, let's ask them to rate their current happiness level at work. We'll use the slider question option, and then, in the Inspector tab, edit the question. We'll give employees 7 options, ranging from very unhappy to very happy. Next, ask them to rate how supported they feel while at work. For this question, you can use the star question type and give them options from 1 star to 10 star. Additionally, you can ask them to rate statements on a strongly disagree to strongly agree rating scale. Some great sample questions that will give you an idea of what your employees are feeling include: I am satisfied with the career advancement opportunities available to me. I am satisfied with my work-life balance. I receive valuable feedback on my work that helps me improve. My accomplishments are recognized by others. And my organization is dedicated to my well-being. Lastly, you can suggest employee wellness programs that your employees can select as interesting or uninteresting to them. Using the multi-select question type, you can give employees options that they can select from as initiatives that would be helpful to them, including a virtual yoga class, weekly guided meditations, or monthly wellness half-days. Also provide a none of the above option so employees can tell you if you're off the mark. When you're finished with your template, simply press Save. You can distribute surveys as often as you would like. A super user or HR administrator can navigate to Engagement, HR Administration, Pulse Surveys. Select New Survey, select a template, and add a headline and description. We recommend that you do not anonymize responses, given that you should act on the results from these surveys. However, you can leave the mandatory toggle off when building your survey template so that employees can avoid any questions they don't feel comfortable answering, or add a prefer not to answer option to all questions. Email this survey to your entire team using the Email Survey button and customize your message. Distribute your wellness survey on a monthly, weekly, or even daily basis so you can keep your finger on the pulse of employee well-being as you navigate through remote, hybrid, or in-person work. As employees submit responses, averages will be available on the Dashboard tab. You can view overarching team responses to any question, or navigate to the Responses tab to select an individual employee and see their survey responses.